Maraming, I would say like key areas or key responsibilities ang pagiging marketing manager or
Mm.
working in the marketing department. I mean, there's PR, merong digital marketing, merong brand marketing, there's creative din po.
Ah.
At one point in my career, when I was still in Abu Dhabi po, I managed events. I do partnerships with, like bringing, like working together with like tour operators, DMCs, and yung mga online travel agencies po across the globe para pumunta po yung mga turista nila dito sa UAE. So marami po. Right now, I mean, yung sa company ko po, I'm working in Dubai with Hyperspace. So, ang main responsibility ko po ngayon is digital marketing, partnerships, like yung mga somehow dun sa 13 years po na pagtatrabaho natin, marami na tayong nakilalang mga professionals across the UAE
Mm.
and internationally. So like partnerships like Emirates, bank partnerships, loyalty programs, yung other destinations and other attractions and other brands. So, yun po yung main responsibility. And then, tumutulong din po tayo from time to time in terms of like PR,
Mm.
kung may mga photo shoots, mga creatives, etc. So, yun po. Malawak siya, exciting siya in a way kasi parang, kumbaga, I always just put myself as a consumer first.
Oo.
So, para at least alam ko kung paano namin magsa-strategize kung ano yung flavor na pwedeng maging attractive para sa akin and the same way sa audience po natin.